Hello dear students, we are doing the chapter The Making of Scientist, and in the last video we have discussed about message, theme and the characters of the chapter. Today I want to tell the detailed summary of this chapter. I have not taken a short summary because it is a very important topic and each and every incident or his achievement is important for you. You must note down the achievement, the inventions, the success of the scientist while making a table of that so that you can remember easily and that will help in your exam also. Okay, first of all, we are talking about Ebright's young age. A former Scout of the Year excited the scientific world with a new theory. And who has given that new theory? Ebright has given that new theory. This he did at the age of 22 years only. It was on how cells work. This was his new theory, how cells work. You have also listened about cells in your science subject. Richard H. Ebright and his college roommate explained the theory in an article. He and his roommate explained the theory in written in an article. It was titled Proceeding of the National Academy of Science. This is the title given to that article. It was his first achievement and it started with butterflies. This was his first achievement and he had started his inventions on butterflies. Ebright as a child. Ebright was the only child of his parents. He don't have any brother or sister. They lived in north of Reading, Pennsylvania. This is a place name. This is not Reading, that is Reading and it is a place name. Ebright wrote that there was nothing to do. He don't have anything to do. He could not play football or baseball. He don't have much friends, many friends. That's why he was started collecting the things. He could collect only things. Ebright started collecting butterflies in kindergarten. When he was in kindergarten, at that time he started collecting butterflies. His interest developed in butterflies. He also collected rocks, fossils and coins. Not only he collected butterflies, but he also collected rocks, fossils and coins. Like you have also interest in some of the things, you are also collecting some of the things. That can be anything, cap, photos of your favorite stars, it can be anything. He also became a stargazer. He likes stars very much and an eager astronomer, and he wanted to know about the astrology and astronomers. His mother encouraged him. His mother always encouraged Ebright, and she took him on trips so that he can learn from trips also. She also bought him telescope, microscope, cameras and other equipment. As he has interested in stars and astronomers, that's why he bought telescope and microscope, and he was also nature loving, so that's why she bought cameras also and other equipment so that he can learn many things. Now we were talking about Ebright's collection. Ebright's mother would find work for Richie if he had nothing to do. When he didn't have anything to do, then his mother searched some work for Ebright so that he could be busy in that. It was for learning. She found work for him so that he could learn from that thing he wanted to learn. And he was a good learner, so that whenever his mother brought some work for him, he always interested in that so that he can learn something from that work. He earned top grades in schools. He was a good learner, that's why he got good grades also in schools. When he was in second grade, He had collected 25 species of butterflies. From here, he has collecting species of butterflies also. From second grade, he has collecting 25 species of butterflies. These were found around his hometown. And those butterflies he had collected from his nearby places. Ebright and his mother. Ebright sold his article at 15 to a scientific journal. He has also given his article when he was in 15 in a scientific journal also. It was like a home run scored in the games of baseball. Like whenever you hit a ball and it was go beyond the boundaries, that was a home run. Like this article once hearts of many people, and this was a very good article, and his name was famous at that time. Ebright's mother said that she was his friend until he started school. Till he has not started the school, Ebright's mother was act like a friend to him. She would bring home friends for him. This thing also she had done for Ebright. She called his friends at home also. He was her whole life after her husband's death. When her husband's death, an early age of Ebright. At that time, Ebright was the only whole life of his mother. Richie was in third grade then. At that time, when her husband was dead. At that time, Richie, or we can say that Ebright was in third grade. Ebright gets a book. Then Ebright's mother gave him a children's book, and it was The Travels of Monarch X. This was the book that changed Ebright's interest, or we can say that changed his life. It created the interest of monarch butterflies in Ebright's heart. It told how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. The detailed information had given in the book then how monarch butterfly migrated to Central America. This opened the world of science to Ebright. This is a very good question and answer in that, how the doors open for Ebright